There has been a long relationship between Shiba Inu and Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin, with Vitalik burning over 40% of the token's total supply back in 2021. But now he could be about to pump Shiba Inu again. So if you have any interest in Shiba Inu, or you hold any SHIB tokens, then you can't afford to miss this video. So what is the latest Shiba Inu coin news? And how will all of this affect the value of Shiba Inu? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I'm going to be telling you all of the price-boosting information that has just come out about Shiba Inu. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch until the end. Let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 9th of November, shall we? Shiba Inu's price today is around 1,921 units. SHIB's price is up 1% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $1 billion. The token also currently has a market cap of over $11.3 billion, ranking it as the 13th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video. This content is not financial advice. Now, let's get into today's video. Shiba Inu whales go big as 1.13 trillion tokens snapped up in 24 hours. Large investors in the popular meme-inspired Shiba Inu cryptocurrency have added more than 1.12 trillion tokens to their wallets over the past 24 hours, according to data from Into the Block. According to an analysis of the large holder net flow metric, which tracks cryptocurrency flows to wallets holding at least 0.1% of the circulating supply of Shiba Inu tokens, there was an increase from -951.84 billion SHIB to 174.91 billion SHIB over the past 24 hours. Thus, we can see an increase of 1.127 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in net flows to the wallets of large investors. The net flow metric shows how the positions of whales and investors with more than 0.1% of the supply are changing. Basically, spikes in net flow mean that large players are building their positions, while declines indicate that positions are being reduced or sold. Whether whales' activity was the cause of such sharp and wide price fluctuations, or vice versa, is an open question. But the result is the same, and in those 24 hours, the result is the same, and the number of Shiba Inu tokens in the whales' wallets has increased. According to Into the Block data, Shiba Inu is seeing a 7,429% increase in large holder net flows, which provides an idea of the change in the positions of whales. A positive large holder net flow indicates that whales are accumulating more of the asset, which can be a bullish signal. That said, the 7,429% surge in Shiba Inu large holder net flows remains significant for the cryptocurrency and might indicate substantial accumulation by large holders. While the 7,429% increase in whale net flows is a promising indicator, it might not guarantee immediate price increases, as other factors, such as broader market dynamics and positive market sentiment, might come into play. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. But keep watching to find out the latest Shiba Inu updates and what the future could hold for the Shiba Inu coin. Now it's time for the main story of today's video. Shiba Inu lead and Ethereum's Vitalik Buterin. Is a 10-minute conversation coming? Shiba Inu lead developer Satoshi Kusama is not relenting on his quest to pitch SHIB's potential to Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin as he makes a fresh request for a discussion. Kusama has again requested a 10-minute discussion with Buterin, during which he plans to showcase SHIB's potential to the Ethereum co-founder. His latest request comes days after he initially requested a 10-minute pitch on SHIB. Kusama seeks to explain why SHIB to Buterin. For context, Buterin suggested in a recent interview that Dogecoin deserves to rank as the second or third biggest crypto by market cap. As Buterin's comments gained popularity, Kusama requested a 10-minute discussion, dubbed Why SHIB. Kusama hopes to utilize the opportunity to explain Shiba Inu's potential, highlighting its technology, decentralized governance, and robust community, which could ultimately benefit Ethereum. He asked community members to call the Ethereum co-founder's attention to the post. However, Buterin has yet to respond to the request. While the reason behind the delay is unknown, Buterin's X activity shows that he has not been very active on the platform since November 1, when Kusama made the request. Shiba Inu lead asks again. Notably, he posted a tweet yesterday, calling the attention of his followers to his proposal on Ethereum's plans. Interestingly, the Shiba Inu leader took to the comment section to inquire about when Buterin would hold a 10-minute discussion with him. When 10-minute discussion, the Shiba Inu leader quizzed. Again, Buterin has not responded to whether he would grant the request. Given Kusama's determination, it is speculated that the Shiba Inu leader would not mind accepting any condition, including discussing it in person. However, this remains unconfirmed at press time. There is a reasonably high likelihood that Buterin mentions SHIB at some point. My reason for saying this is that due to Solana taking over the meme market, Buterin might want to bring some eyes back to the ETH blockchain. Mentioning the most popular meme crypto that is built on your blockchain is a great way to do this. Nonetheless, it is important to note that Kusama had previously held an in-person interview with Arabian Business magazine. Why Shiba Inu enthusiasts think Buterin should grant Kusama request. Meanwhile, most Shiba Inu enthusiasts are still calling on Buterin to have a 10-minute discussion with their ecosystem lead. Some reasons fueling their demands include Shiba Inu's launch on Ethereum and the token's massive growth rate. Shiba Inu is a major crypto project on the Ethereum blockchain. All Shiba Inu related projects, including its blockchain and tokens, were deployed on Ethereum, attracting more users to the network. According to top developer Terra, Shiba Inu is the only top 10 ERC-20 token that has remained loyal to the network since its launch. The developer argued that other top 10 tokens like UST and USDC are not part of this consideration due to their presence on multiple blockchains. Also, some users pointed to Shiba Inu's lifetime growth rate as one major reason that Buterin should talk to Kusama. On October 30, the Shiba Inu leader claimed that Shiba Inu had registered a lifetime gain of 33,774,726%, making it the best performing asset globally. Many of our subscribers comment that they are not going to sell SHIB for the next 5 years and hold millions of them because they believe in the Shiba Inu developers and the real
Robinhood is setting Shiba Inu for some crazy gains. This is not a joke. We are expecting some major price action, and it all has already begun. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. The Shiba Inu dev team is involved in some wild events that are coming this week. But what is really going on? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. This is a huge moment for Shiba Inu. Just yesterday, Shiba Burn, our go-to tracker for Shiba Inu burns, revealed an enormous burn event where a whopping 5.58 billion Shiba Inu tokens, worth over $100,000, were permanently wiped out in a single transaction. At a time when Shiba Inu's circulating supply directly impacts its potential price growth, a move like this is monumental. Now, the big question is, who initiated this burn? At first, as Shiba Inu's community was buzzing with theories, speculation was leaning toward Binance. Prominent community voices like Lola believe Binance played a role here, pointing to evidence that Binance funded the wallet used in the burn. This transaction has naturally sparked a wave of excitement, with Shiba Inu's marketing lead, Lucy, sharing her surprise at the scale of the burn. It's clear that even the Shiba Inu team is closely watching these developments. As the community looks for answers, what's undeniable is the significance of this burn. It's a boost to Shiba Inu's scarcity, which could eventually play a key role in driving up its value. But then, it turned out that there's someone else behind this burn. The burn was actually initiated by the team behind a newly launched cat-themed meme coin. The team confirmed this in an X post published 2 minutes after the burn. But one of the Shiba Inu's X accounts made an urgent announcement to stay cautious. As they say, some projects use these big burns to pull in the Shiba army with pre-sales or low-quality tokens. This isn't the first time, and it won't be the last. While a $100,000 burn sounds impressive, it can be a quick attention play. Before jumping in, make sure to look at the full picture. But nevertheless, this unexpected burn is building more confidence and excitement around Shiba Inu's potential for growth. However, looking at the current price chart, we're seeing a surprising turn. Shiba Inu's price has taken a bit of a dip. What's happening here? Well, As Bitcoin recently soared past the $70,000 mark, the entire crypto market got a confidence boost, and Shiba Inu was no exception. Shiba Inu started showing real strength, riding the wave of optimism sparked by Bitcoin's rise, which pushed various altcoins into promising positions. For Shiba Inu, the anticipation of a golden cross, a major bullish signal, had investors excited for what could be a long-term upward trend. But here's where things took a twist. Bitcoin's struggle to maintain its position above $70,000 impacted Shiba Inu's momentum, delaying that golden cross confirmation and stalling its potential rally. This price dip, while disappointing for now, reflects the broader market's hesitation as Bitcoin flirts with its all-time highs, but fails to stay there. For Shiba Inu to truly capitalize on a golden cross and continue its bullish trend, Bitcoin needs to stabilize and ideally push beyond $70,000 again, which would help restore investor confidence across the board. If that happens, Shiba Inu could see renewed buying interest, likely putting it in a stronger position to break its next resistance level at 402. However, a dip below the critical support level could shift sentiment further bearish, signaling a possible correction before another attempt at growth. Right now, Shiba Inu faces two clear indicators of potential trouble. First, the price action itself. Shiba Inu slipped 4% yesterday, dipping below the key 200-day moving average on the daily chart. And while Shiba Inu has tried for nearly 20 hours to break back above this level, it hasn't succeeded, hinting that selling pressure is still strong. If bears keep overpowering bulls, Shiba Inu could see a further decline, with even lower potential if support remains weak. The second red flag? The behavior of large holders. In the last 48 hours, significant Shiba Inu wallets, those holding 0.1% or more of the circulating supply, have seen a negative flow of around 800 billion Shiba Inu. This activity from major holders is a classic sign of selling pressure, likely as they decide to exit at strong resistance levels rather than risk a deeper price drop. This behavior underscores that, despite recent excitement, some of the biggest players are still cautious, preferring to sell and observe rather than holding on with hopes of a breakout. For Shiba Inu, these developments mean it's a pivotal moment. A drop below these key support levels could signal more turbulence ahead. But if market confidence recovers and large holders re-enter, Shiba Inu might stabilize. So while the road forward may look a bit bumpy, it's in these high-stakes moments that we often see the community's resilience shine through, shaping Shiba Inu's path ahead. However, in moments like these, Lucy steps in with an essential reminder, cautioning everyone, especially those new to the market, to remember the fundamentals. Her message is simple, but powerful. Crypto investments are high risk, and it's crucial only to invest what you can afford to lose. She's essentially saying, be an investor, not a gambler, reminding everyone to approach this market with patience and a long-term perspective. And Lucy's message couldn't come at a better time. For Shiba Inu and crypto as a whole, a patient, cautious approach often wins in the long run. So don't let today's price drop shake you. This could easily be just a temporary dip, especially with some exciting things on the horizon for Shiba Inu. SBI VC Trade, a Japanese crypto exchange, is rolling out a couple of unique events featuring Shiba Inu-themed tokens, both Shiba Inu and Doge, to celebrate Japan's Dog Day. This week-long campaign involves a social media contest and a trading competition, with prizes aimed at encouraging participation in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The Doggy Contest, for instance, is a fun, accessible social media challenge where participants can share AI-generated images to win Amazon gift vouchers. Meanwhile, the Doggy Race offers a trading incentive for those actively involved in buying Shiba Inu on the exchange, providing a lottery chance for participants to earn additional Shiba Inu tokens. The fact that SBI VC Trade is backing Shiba Inu with not just giveaways, but also by facilitating a steady demand through this trading contest, shows their ongoing support for Shiba Inu. This isn't just a random event. SBI VC Trade has been invested in promoting Shiba Inu, from previous campaigns celebrating Kabosu-chan's birthday to allowing users to earn passive income with a Shiba Inu lending program. With this kind of support, Shiba Inu is far from being just another meme coin. It's actively making strides in the crypto world, transitioning from its initial meme status to becoming a utility token. The current price might not reflect these recent developments yet, but with increased exposure and utility, Shiba Inu could see steady demand over time. SBI's support sends a message of confidence, which may attract more investors and help Shiba Inu build momentum. even if today's market prices suggest otherwise. And speaking of exchanges, Shiba Inu has just received an unexpected nod from Robinhood today. This is always a promising sign, especially considering that exchanges generally don't highlight tokens randomly. They often feature tokens they have plans for, which may be speculative, but definitely worth noting. Robinhood recently published an overview of the top meme coins and their origins, putting particular focus on Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. But it was Robinhood's focus on Shiba Inu that stood out. They praised Shiba Inu's evolution from a community-driven meme coin launched in 2020 into a substantial project with unique offerings, like the shibaswap. Robinhood emphasized Shiba Inu's significance in reviving interest in meme coins and reshaping the perception of them as more than just fleeting tokens. By mentioning that Shiba Inu set a new precedent for meme coins, Robinhood effectively acknowledged its transformative impact on the meme coin landscape. And after all these upcoming developments, Shiba Inu's future price looks pretty bright. Just after the Robinhood update, an analyst has identified a bullish flag on Shiba Inu's 3-day chart, indicating the potential for a breakout above key resistance levels. Clifton X, a well-regarded crypto analyst, shared insights with his followers on X, presenting a chart that shows a bullish flag formation. The projected move, marked by a green zone on the chart, indicates that Shiba Inu could potentially rise a lot, representing an approximate 89% increase from its current level. This pattern, characterized by a descending channel with parallel trend lines, has established clear resistance and support levels for Shiba Inu. As the price hovers near the upper boundary, it suggests a potential test of resistance. This analysis gains even more significance amid ongoing conversations in the Shiba Inu community about its future and recognition in the crypto space. But what is your opinion on that? Let us hear your thoughts in the comments. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.